What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to the latest report, the new Google Pixel 8 Pro hands-on unveiled a built-in infrared thermometer system. This is a new earth-breaking feature that no other brand uses in their smartphones. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And if you are new here, for our daily tech news, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. Do you know that no one's been missing from Google's recent smartphone lineup? A new track, but not just any track. Google-style new tracks, ones which are here today and gone the next year. Remember the SONY radar? Exactly. So with that in mind, it will definitely please and surprise you to hear that the new upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro is now set to feature a new infrared thermometer system on the back panel, housed right under the circulated LED flash inside the camera bump. The new infrared thermometer will unsurprisingly be able to measure your body heat temperature. The sensor is apparently similar to what most contactless thermometer devices use. To use of the Google Pixel 8 Pro infrared thermometer sensor, you need to bring it as close as possible to your face forehead without touching your face skin. Then simply tap the start button and move the smartphone towards your temple within 5 seconds. The smartphone will vibrate when the heat temperature measurement will complete. We can't tell you right now because there was a video demonstrating how the feature works. Only it was uploaded on YouTube, which turned out not to have been the greatest idea in the history, since that the platform is owned by Google and the video has been removed for violating YouTube's terms of services. This new earth-breaking new feature will only be available on the Google Pixel 8 Pro model, by the way. So don't think about skipping on cache and going for vanilla Google Pixel 8 variant. It is reported the new upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro is expected to equip it alongside the Pixel 8 in October this year, and they are both rumored to be powered by Google's own Tensor G3 SoC. The Google Pixel 8 Pro display is reportedly going to be little bit smaller than the Google Pixel 7 Pro 6.52 inches display, and it is also said that the smartphone will use Samsung's biggest ISOCELL GN2 sensor for its main camera compartment. It is expected that the new Google Pixel 8 Pro will officially launch in October this year with even more exciting features. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.